Welcome back, guys. So in this video we are going to finish this module, and we are going to complete this create external lookup relationship chapter of this quick start Salesforce Connect. So in this we are going to create an external lookup relationship between the external objects which we created by the process of by linking that into our system through Salesforce Connect. Okay, sorry. So the thing is, this external lookup is kind of a relationship which was introduced in type of Salesforce Connect. So when I created into previous module, there was indirect lookup relationship, which is a new type of field added in Salesforce Connect. So basically, indirect lookup relationship is a relationship between the external object and the Salesforce standard objects. However, the external lookup relationship is the relationship between one external object to another external object. So now in this module, we are going to link the order and the order detail. Okay, you link order detail to order based on order ID field in both objects, resulting in a new related list on the order page. Uh, so now what the order object that we seen before, right? This order record, this is external object. It doesn't have any related records to this. So we are going to link the related list, this order details into this with order. So for that, what they have said is to from setup external object, quick find box external object. So following the same process, external objects. So we have two. Now going to order details, it said click on order ID, and we have to just change the field type. So order ID, what they have done is a number field. We are going to change this to a external lookup, change field type. Third step is select external lookup relationships, and next for rated value select order and then click next. So external lookup relationships, next, and order will be there. I think the external ID is present on both the object, that's why it's showing both. But naturally, from order we have to link to order, which is a parent. So order next, length. So here it doesn't ask for the external like the ID, related to in the previous module, right? We in this model on the account object we selected the external ID is the custom ID field through which it was linked. So in this it is not asking that. Click on we have to enter 18 as length. Okay, keeping everything pre-selected. Next, to make field visible to profile, okay, visibility, and leave checkbox save new little order related to check your work, navigate back to accounts. They will we are looking at before, click on order number to view new little list order. So alright, so okay, I only using system admin, so system admin pre-selected. Next, and keeping everything pre-selected, and just click on save. So this is my external lookup relationship is created with from order ID to order details to order via this. So let's go back to the accounts in which we shown that. Okay, so Burlington Tax Corp, right? This has this order, and order should have rated information. Oh, this is not showing up. Refresh. Is there anything that we missed? Okay, maybe this record doesn't have that. We'll go back to some other records to see if has 110. Yeah, this has. Maybe every record doesn't have that. Based on the value they have linked this. Let's check this order ID. So order ID is order field 1107. So I am really not sure like how this is working here. So order ID was previously was a number field, and then we converted it to a lookup relationship, external lookup and internet lookup similarly for account, and it took it as a you know the external ID field, and it's got transformed. So I think that's how you automatically link the records were present, but since you converted the field, the data type of that from number to this, it is automatically got sync. Yeah, so data were already there. So this is a real time data. So I think we are good here. I wanted to check back again if that 19 doesn't have, maybe some other record have a related. Yeah, this one has this. Okay, 1106 has 1234. Okay, URL, does it opens anything? Okay, it's nothing there. Okay, can I have this orders as a, okay, orders we have a, so yeah, so see, this might be a customers this objects. So I just wanted to check details. All right, so external object doesn't have any real-time data into your Salesforce environment. Is like a real-time data synced, and it's like created via external relationship and indirect relationship. You can see the data real time. Let's so I think we are completed these steps. Let's verify. Boom. So we completed this module, quick start Salesforce Connect. There's a very interesting line which they have added here. Like in just few minute times, you integrate external data by configuring an external data source in Salesforce, linked external object with standard Salesforce account data, and brought it all together into Salesforce user interface, all without writing a single line of code. Now that's data integration lightning fast. So the idea behind Salesforce Connect is um, you can like sync the data from external system real time, and without any coding. Like say when you go for a customized integration, you have to create a resource class resource connect, and maybe WSDL via SOAP API or REST API. You can do like a um, so so connected apps, right, with the OAuth authentications. So this is very simple way, easy way to have the data into a Salesforce environment, just for a viewing purpose. And you can just link that to with the standard or custom objects, as we have done in the previous steps. So to summarize all this Salesforce Connect, what we did is, so firstly we like say installed this lightning quick connect. This basically did is created a customer ID and external ID on account, okay, which is unique and external ID marked, right. This is because it linked this with the order of that external ID. Second step we did is we created an external data source. So in external data source we created order DB, and provided we have a order this one, and then we, after this creation, we validated and sync. um, so this step gave us 3-4 objects from this data source, right, and we synced only order and order details. So we sync that. That's how it the data from order detail and order from this data source order DB was synced back to Salesforce, right. This takes some time, or it is Okay, fine. So now we have modified, because in the previous step it was number field, so now it is not syncing. That's not a problem because we already did it. So the thing is, now in the data, in the like source, the field is number field, and we have changed it to external lookup. So now this external objects, we have two objects, order detail and order. So we can see that in external objects here. Okay, order and order details. In order, what we did, we just went to customer ID, and we created indirect relationship, lookup relationship with account object, and that's how we see that the account has a related orders. Okay, orders. And then in the fourth step, we went to order details and created a external lookup relationship between these external objects, between them, in Salesforce. So internally they linked between each other. So that's how we saw order and order details record. Right. See. So this is how we finish this quick start Lightning Connect. I hope this was insightful, and um, please stay connected for further such videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thanks.